Here I have Blackberry Motion, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let's open the fonts dialer and let me open the keypad right now. So let's start by using the following secret code *# 2886 #. As you can see, the hardware test mode pops up. This is also the service menu. Here you can read a couple of useful information about your device, for example the serial number. You can perform here some automatic test, or you can choose manual. Let me choose manual. Here you can, for example, test your LCD colors right here. You can test your camera, LCD blacklight. So let me test the blacklight. The vibrator, audio, this is the discrete test, melody test. You can test also the microphone. Here you can also test the memory card, the light sensors, SIM, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hardware info. For example, let me use hardware info, and other stuff as well. Let's use back key or exit to quit this hardware test mode, and now it's time to enter the calendar info. All you need to do is use this code *# 225 ***. That's it, the calendar info just pops up, so here you can read information about your calendar. Let's go back to quit this menu. Now it's time to open the Google Play service mode, so let's use this code *# 426 ***, and the Google Play services just pops up. Here you can use ping, connect, disconnect, events, or status. Use back key again, and it's time to open the email info. Let's just use *06 and the email information just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close this window, and basically that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.